I am Baba Siddiqui, Congress I candidate, contesting elections from the Bandra Assembly constituency, which comprises of Bandra, Khar and Santa Cruz. Bandra Assembly constituency is not a constituency for me. I have grown up here, I have played here, I have family, I have friends, I have studied here. I have nurtured this constituency as my home. It's a passion for me.
बाबा सिद्दीकी साहब जो हैं, उनकी बहुत बड़ी खूबी है कि वो एक तालीम के लिए हमारे मोहल्ले के, हमारे स्कूल के, हमारे लोगों के, और उनमें सबसे बड़ी खूबी ये को किसी भेदभाव की उस पर नहीं जाते वो। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है उनके अंदर कि वो सेकुलर हैं और वो हमेशा चाहते हैं कि आगे बढ़ें, उसमें देश के लोग बढ़े, मुल्क के लोग बढ़े, मोहल्ले के लोग बढ़े, उनकी हमेशा ये ख्वाहिश रहती है।
We need an MLA who's accessible, dedicated and sincere. Baba Siddiqui has served you as a corporator in the past and continues to serve you as an MLA with utmost dedication. His work speaks for itself. May it be the roads, the promenades, skywalks, open spaces, or the overall development of the Bandra Assembly constituency.
बाबा सिद्दीकी का पूरा हाथ है इसके अंदर, क्योंकि उनका जो नेटवर्क उन्होंने जो बना के रखा है एरिया के अंदर, वो नेटवर्क बहुत अच्छा है। वो हर कार्यकर्ता को अपने साथ में लेके चलते हैं और हर कार्यकर्ता को एक दोस्त की तरह से मानते हैं और उस हिसाब से वो काम करते हैं। जब भी कुछ काम लेके जाओ तो तब तो काम हो जाता है। और एक बार उन्होंने जो प्रॉमिस किया आपको, तो प्रॉमिस को फिर फुलफिल करने में वो कभी पीछे नहीं हटते।
I am elected by the people and I am answerable to the people.
We had an acute water shortage problem in Ramakrishna Nagar for almost 10 to 12 years. There was no water for washing clothes and people used to go late to office, schools, colleges. Finally we approached Baba Siddiqui with our problem. He came over personally, he assessed the situation and then he liaised with the BMC and he got us an extra connection, even got a water tank done for us. Now we don't have any water problem at all, and thanks largely to his efforts and his team. We are grateful to him for that.
First this was, the British concrete, and since that concrete went on the lower side, when they had put those tiles, which were not very good, they used to come out very often, and we requested a local MLA and a corporator to get this thing done, put the blocks down here. And we just request him once, and he gets things done, He's dynamic here. If we tell him something, he gets it done.
It's an ongoing process, the infrastructure development. You see, you compare the roads from Bandra Assembly constituency to the other parts of the city, the sewerage system, the promenades, the gardens, preservation of open spaces, and suggestions from the locals. This is the way. I've been doing this work for years, and I assure you, I will continue doing this work.
Baba's role has been a very, very important role. Had he not been available for the citizens, had he not taken the initiative to get meetings organized with the ALN, with the members, this would not been possible. Then he's been also very kind enough to interact with Priya Dutt, who's got our concretization of the road done. So things have really moved with his efforts.
there used to be a nala, open nala running, which used to be a breeding ground for mosquitoes and a lot of nuisance for the residents staying around, which has been covered and turned into a mini park. So now in the evenings you see a lot of senior citizens coming and sitting there. There are college students sitting there on their break time, and it's quite nice. It's like a garden and people enjoy their evenings there. Then we also has to have stormwater drain which was open, which has been covered again by our local MLA, Mr. Baba Siddiqui, and we have paver blocks put up in our area by him. A lot of beautification work has been done.
Baba Siddiqui and Priya Das, our MP, have been of tremendous help to us. Besides funding the whole project, which is over 48 lakhs, they have personally come and supervised the work which was going on, with also our local councillors, Mr. Zakaria and Kavita Rodriguez. They spent hours, while the work was going on, to speed up the whole thing and also to monitor the whole thing, which normally people don't do. So we had this advantage.
The mandate given has brought the strong government to the centre. Now it is our duty to give a strong government in the state. And Congress believes in common man ideologies. Congress believes a secular nation. It doesn't divide between caste and creed.
जमहूरिया का नक्शा बदल दिया और ऐसे ही कैंडिडेट को पार्टी को ज़रूरत है जो दुआएं लेती गरीबों की, और बहुत अच्छा काम करी है कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, और बाबा सिद्दीकी साहब ने इतना अच्छा काम किया, एक मिसाल पैदा कर दिया है जो कि कोई आके मिटा नहीं सकता है चीज़।
बाबाजीने केला, बालवाडी बनवली, जिम बनवला, हे आम्हाला बनवून दिलं मैदान, परत गलीचा सगळा पाण्याचा सगळा सोयीचा करून दिल्यात, पाईपलाईन टाकून दिली. बायकांनाही त्याचा आनंद भेटला आहे की पाणी बिचारा भरायला बाहेर जाणाऱ्या त्यांना इथं सगळं भेटलेल्या सुविधा, आणि त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही सगळ्या बायकांनी आणि सगळ्या कमिटीच्या यांनी एक खूप त्यांच्यावरती आदर्श करू आणि त्यांना आम्ही आणखी वरती आणायचे प्रयत्न करून आम्हाला त्याची साथ द्यावी.
बाबा सिद्दीकी जी ने हमारे बीएमसी कॉलोनी के लिए बहुत सारे काम किए, जैसे बीएमसी में पावर ब्लॉक का काम है, बालवाड़ी का काम है, नए पानी के कनेक्शन है, पंपिंग बिठाए है उन्होंने नए में.
बाबा सिद्दीकीबद्दल असं सांगायला गेलं तर आमची कामं म्हणजे होतात ना, त्या मानाने आम्हाला असा आनंद है कि आम्ही बोलल्याबरोबर आमची कामं होतात.
हम लोग का घर तोड़ने का ऑर्डर आया 2007 में, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ लोकल एमएलए से हम लोग ने मिले और हम लोग राजा रामवाड़ी वाले बहुत खुश हैं कि हमारी सहायता उन्होंने, हमारे लोकल एमएलए ने हमारी सहायता काफ़ी की.
The government formed by this election will formulate laws and legislations that will directly affect our lives in many ways. It is necessary that a secular government led by the Congress comes to power.
Baba has been always a very friendly man, a friendly neighborhood man, we will say, reachable at any hours, odd or even. Whenever we have needed him, he has been there. Whether it is for the individual society or for the association, he has been reachable and accessible as well as giving us the results.
Baba Siddiqui, our MLA, is the most approachable person that we have found. Since when we went to him, even without a meeting, he sat with us for hours together, understood the matter and took up the cases in a professional manner. And that is why we believe that he is the most approachable person, and once he takes up an issue, would make sure that a job is well done.
It is your fundamental duty to exercise your right to vote and choose your government. This is the strongest weapon in democracy. Please exercise your vote. Friends, we have shared a long and a healthy relationship together, and there is lots more that we need to achieve.
We have a good team in place which represents you at the local municipal level, in the state and in the centre. Please help retain this team for an effective and coordinated governance in your area.
I am hopeful for your support in this upcoming elections. Jai Hind.
My appeal to you is vote for progress, vote for development, vote for secularism, vote for Congress.